Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about enabling the Windows Mobility Center on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in regedit, R-E-G-E-D-I-T. Best result should come back with Registry Editor. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. In order to create a backup, it's very simple. All you have to do is select the File tab and then Export. File name, I'd recommend naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Set export range to all and save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer. And if you ever needed to import it back in, all you have to do is select File and then Import and then navigate to the file location. So now that is done, we're ready to begin, and we're going to start off by double-clicking on the HK Current User folder. Do the same thing now for the software folder, so double-click on that. Should be a Microsoft folder in here, double-click on it. And should be a mobile PC entry. Just left-click on that one time. You want to right-click on that file or key. Select New, and then select Key. You want to name the first key Mobility Center. Exactly how you see it on my screen. And you want to do it again, you want to create an adaptive settings key in here as well. So again, adaptive settings as well as Mobility Center as you see it on my screen. So if you already have one or two or both of these values, you don't actually have to create these keys in here. But if you do, on the right side, you would first want to go underneath Adaptive Settings and right-click in a blank area on the right side of it. Select New, and then select where it says DWORD 32-bit value. Name this value Skip Battery Check, exactly how you see it on my screen, and hit Enter. Now you want to double-click on this value and set it to the numerical value of 1, and then select OK. And now you want to go select the Mobility Center key, right-click on a blank area on the right side of it, select New, and now you want to select the DWORD 32-bit value again. This time you're going to call this Run on Desktop, exactly how you see it on my screen, and hit Enter. Double-click on it, set the value data to the number 1, select OK, and now you will need to close out of the Registry Editor and restart your computer for the change to take effect. And now we're back in Windows. If you open up the Start menu, I'm going to have a file path in the description of the video. I want you guys to copy it and then paste it into the search menu. And then it should open up a file folder in here. Go ahead and open that up. And then all of the executables should be listed in here. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.